What are the basic concepts of HVAC? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the basic concepts of HVAC. If you are an HVAC student, a beginner technician, or someone interested in the heating and cooling industry, understanding these concepts is very important. These fundamentals form the foundation of everything you will learn in HVAC. So, let's get started. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems are designed to provide comfort, maintain indoor air quality, and control temperature and humidity inside buildings. HVAC systems are used in homes, offices, hospitals, shopping malls, factories, and many other places. The main goal of HVAC is to create a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Heating. Heating is the process of increasing the temperature inside a building during cold weather. Heating systems provide warmth to occupants and prevent indoor spaces from becoming uncomfortable. Common heating equipment includes furnaces, boilers, heat pumps, and electric heaters. The amount of heat required depends on factors such as outdoor temperature, building insulation, and room size. Ventilation. Ventilation means supplying fresh air and removing stale or contaminated air from indoor spaces. Good ventilation improves indoor air quality by reducing odors, carbon dioxide levels, dust, and other airborne pollutants. Ventilation can occur naturally through windows and openings, or mechanically through fans and air handling systems. Proper ventilation is essential for maintaining a healthy environment. Air conditioning. Air conditioning is the process of controlling indoor temperature, humidity, air movement, and cleanliness to provide comfort. Most people think air conditioning only means cooling, but it also involves humidity control and air filtration. Air conditioners remove heat from indoor spaces and transfer it outside. This process helps maintain comfortable indoor conditions during hot weather. Heat transfer. One of the most important concepts in HVAC is heat transfer. Heat always moves from a warmer area to a cooler area. HVAC systems are designed to control this heat movement. There are three methods of heat transfer. Conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact between materials. For example, heat can move through metal pipes or walls. Convection. Convection occurs when heat is transferred through the movement of liquids or gases. In HVAC systems, warm or cool air circulated by fans is an example of convection. Radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves without direct contact. The heat we feel from the sun is an example of radiant heat transfer. Understanding these methods helps technicians understand how HVAC systems operate. Refrigeration cycle. The refrigeration cycle is the heart of most air conditioning systems. It removes heat from indoor spaces using a refrigerant that continuously changes pressure and temperature throughout the system. The four main components of the refrigeration cycle are compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. These components work together to absorb heat from inside the building and reject it outside. Refrigerants. Refrigerants are special fluids used in HVAC systems to transfer heat. They absorb heat at low temperatures and release it at higher temperatures. Common refrigerants include R32, R410A, and R134A, depending on the application. Technicians must always handle refrigerants carefully and follow local regulations and manufacturer guidelines. Humidity control. Humidity refers to the amount of moisture present in the air. High humidity can make people feel uncomfortable and encourage mold growth. Low humidity may cause dry skin and irritation. HVAC systems help maintain proper humidity levels to improve comfort and indoor air quality. Air distribution. After heating or cooling the air, it must be distributed throughout the building. Air distribution systems include fans, ductwork, diffusers, grills, and air handling units. Proper air distribution ensures that all areas receive adequate airflow and consistent temperatures. Energy efficiency. Modern HVAC systems are designed to provide maximum comfort while consuming less energy. Energy efficiency reduces electricity costs and minimizes environmental impact. Factors that improve efficiency include proper system sizing, regular maintenance, clean filters, good insulation, and high-efficiency equipment. Understanding efficiency concepts is important for every HVAC professional. Safety in HVAC. Safety should always be a priority in HVAC work. Technicians regularly work with electricity, pressurized refrigerants, moving equipment, and sometimes high temperatures. Basic safety practices include wearing personal protective equipment, following lockout and tagout procedures, using tools correctly, handling refrigerants safely, and following manufacturer instructions. Good safety habits protect both technicians and customers. Conclusion. The basic concepts of HVAC include understanding heating, ventilation, air conditioning, heat transfer, refrigeration cycles, refrigerants, humidity control, air distribution, energy efficiency, and safety practices. These principles form the foundation of the HVAC industry. Once you understand these basics, learning advanced topics such as troubleshooting, installation, and system design becomes much easier. If you are just starting your HVAC journey, focus on mastering these concepts first, because every successful HVAC technician builds their knowledge from these fundamentals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC training videos, beginner guides, troubleshooting lessons, and technical education content. See you in the next video.